Dear Islanders and Islander faculty, we have received over 200 heartfelt nominations this year for our Student Choice Digital Innovator of the Year Award. This award honors a faculty member who has made a difference in students' learning experiences by incorporating technology into the course or the academic program in a meaningful way. This year, our winner demonstrated that even at a distance, engagement with students is both possible and the key to an excellent student learning experience. It is our pleasure to announce that Dr. Shane Gleason is our 2020 Student Choice Digital Innovator of the Year. His students submitted nominations based on his class WebEx sessions, praising his ability to make them part of the conversation, even when they aren't there in person. His students also said he speaks to all of us at once, but it feels like he's speaking one-on-one. He is very kind and has embraced the use of technology to engage all of us. Congratulations, Dr. Gleason.